Hey guys, welcome to Quizzer Academy channel.
Some science experiments are so bizarre, dangerous, or unethical, they were banned forever. But can you guess which ones actually happened and which ones are pure fiction? Let's find out, but before starting, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for weekly quizzes. Did scientists once try to teach dolphins English by living with them? You have 5 seconds to lock in your answer. In the 1960s, a NASA-funded experiment placed a woman in close quarters with a dolphin to teach it English. Did scientists once make a cat hear through its eyes by rewiring nerves? Your time starts now. 1970s experiments rewired sensory nerves in cats to study brain plasticity. Was there ever a plan to use bats carrying tiny bombs in World War II? Subscribe our channel for more exciting quizzes. The US military tested bomb-carrying bats, but the project was canceled. Did scientists ever make a two-headed dog? Hit the bell icon to get our weekly quizzes. Soviet scientist Vladimir Demikhov surgically grafted one dog's head onto another in the 1950s. Did a scientist try to swap human memories into another brain? This is a tough one. Memory transfer was tested in sea slugs and flatworms, not humans. Did Soviet scientists implant a human embryo into a chimpanzee? Choose now. Trust your instinct. While ape-human hybrid experiments were attempted, no verified human embryo implantation occurred. Did a scientist in the 18th century try to reanimate a corpse with electricity? What is your answer? Share with us in comments. Giovanni Aldini performed public corpse electrification experiments in the early 1800s. Did scientists once try to give humans gills for underwater breathing? Is this become our superpower? Experimental oxygen-absorbing liquids were tested to allow breathing underwater. Was there an experiment to freeze people and revive them later? Cryonics trials on animals have succeeded, but not on humans. Did scientists once use human prisoners to test radioactive cereal? In the 1940s to 50s, radioactive iron was secretly added to prison cereal for radiation studies. Was there ever an experiment to make a human invisible using bent light? Scientists have made small objects invisible using metamaterials, but not humans yet. Did scientists once build a human-powered flight machine powered by 40 cyclists? In 1937, a massive pedal-powered plane was tested, but never achieved true flight. Did a scientist try to teach a chimpanzee to speak full English sentences? Chimps can learn sign language, but their vocal anatomy limits spoken language. Did researchers ever use dogs to test space survival before humans? The Soviet space program used dogs like Laika to test life support in space. Did scientists once attempt to slow aging by replacing all blood in a person? Animal experiments with young blood transfusion have shown temporary rejuvenation effects. Did researchers make a chicken live for 18 months without its head? Mike the Headless Chicken survived after a botched slaughter in 1945. Did a scientist once turn a living frog transparent to study its organs? Genetic modification made transparent frogs for medical research in Japan. Did scientists ever transplant a human head onto another human body? Head transplants have been attempted on animals like monkeys, but never successfully on humans. Did researchers ever try to make a human survive without a heart for hours? Experiments replaced animal hearts with mechanical pumps for hours to study survival. Was there an experiment to send people into the upper atmosphere without a spacesuit? Animals were exposed to near vacuum conditions to study decompression effects before human space travel. Did scientists ever grow a human ear on the back of a mouse? In 1997, researchers grew a cartilage ear shape on a mouse to test tissue engineering. Was there a real experiment to test if humans could photosynthesize like plants? Scientists have experimented with embedding photosynthetic algae in animal cells, not full humans. Did the CIA ever test mind control using radio waves on unaware subjects? MK-Ultra projects explored mind influence via drugs and possible electromagnetic exposure. Did researchers try to give humans night vision by injecting eye dye? A 2015 biohacking group tested a chlorine dye injection, giving temporary low-light vision. Did researchers use atomic bombs to try to create new islands? Operation Plowshare explored peaceful nuclear explosions, including island creation tests. So, how much did you crack Share You score in comments? And don't forget, we're dropping weekly quizzes that unlock epic knowledge and challenge what you think you know. So hit that subscribe button, like, and turn on the bell to stay ahead of the mystery curve.